welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a fantastic hydrangea. It's Hydrangea Silver Dollar. Now, Hydrangea Silver Dollar starts to flower around mid-July and finishes at the end of September. Enormous white flowers. As it moves into mid-August and late August, you get a shade of pink in the flowers. It grows around 5 feet high, good strong grower, and it'll do in full sun or half shade. And what I like about it, it's got great big strong stems, so it's able to hold itself up, unlike many other hydrangeas. But enormous white flowers like that, big panicle flowers. Now it's important to cut it hard back in spring. You can see we cut it hard back right down to there. We cut it in March, and then it flowers on the end of all this lovely fresh wood. So cut it hard back every year in March. This is the time of year to plant Hydrangea Silver Dollar. Now to plant it, decent sized planting hole, dig it deeper than the pot, put some super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom, that's important. Swell well compost and soil on top and the same banking around, and then feed regularly with flower max to make sure you get lots and lots of fresh growth with lots of flowers on. So this Hydrangea Silver Dollar, gorgeous hydrangea, can be planted from now. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.